In this video, I'll show you how to transfer an Amazon gift card balance to Cash App and whether or not this is actually possible. Many people wonder if they can move their Amazon gift card balance to a bank or Cash App account. So let's go over the facts step by step. To begin, I'm here on the official Amazon website. Go and click on Account option. After that, choose Gift Cards, which has a dedicated section named as Gift Cards. In this section, you can view your gift card balance by clicking the option at the top of the screen labeled Gift Cards. This allows you to check your available balance and explore other types of Amazon gift cards available for purchase. Now, if you scroll all the way down on that page, you'll find a section for frequently asked questions, FAQs. However, you'll notice that none of the topics discuss transferring your Amazon gift card balance to a bank account or any external payment platform. To dig deeper, I checked the Amazon Help Center, where there's an article titled Amazon.com Balance and Amazon.com Gift Card Terms and Conditions. If we look closely at that article and search for the word refund, it appears under the limitations section. According to Amazon's official policy, your Amazon gift card balance cannot be redeemed for cash, refunded, or transferred to a bank account or any third-party payment system such as Cash App. Additionally, it cannot be used in any way that violates Amazon's gift card restrictions and prohibited activities policy. So, to put it simply, as of now, it's impossible to transfer or withdraw your Amazon gift card funds to a bank account, Cash App, or any similar platform. The only way to use your gift card balance is by spending it directly on Amazon.com to purchase products or services available on the site. There are often misleading videos or online claims suggesting hacks or tricks to convert Amazon gift cards into cash. But these methods are not legitimate and can violate Amazon's terms of service. The purpose of this video is to provide clarity and prevent misinformation.